Hello guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art channel. Today in this video tutorial we will help you how to make a better designs on t-shirt. Like most of the design aptitude examination, this kind of questions will be asked. Like so they'll be telling you to make a design for a t-shirt. It may be a social event or promote any organization, otherwise to promote social issues. So kind of a questions will be asked. So here most of the common mistakes beginners do is, if they are asked in the question, they have to draw for design to put it on t-shirt. Usually what the beginners do is, directly they will draw the t-shirt here on the given space. So we found, these are the common mistake in beginners drawing. So here we will try to rectify how we can develop this kind of t-shirt designs. So what the beginners do is, they will draw the t-shirt and put the space inside the t-shirt, and they will draw, suppose if they wanted to draw for a save trees, they draw like this. Okay, so here so what was the problem here now? So I'll make you I'll make it a little clear to show you the picture what they have done in the beginners. I'm using I used Stedler color pencil here, and I'm using a brush pen, Camlin brush pen, which is available on market. So here, so to make the drawing clear, so just I have outlined the t-shirt and the design inside. Usually beginners do this common mistake. They write save trees. Okay, so here what is the problem? The given space is very small, and they drew the t-shirt, image of t-shirt, and inside that they drew the design element, the picture, the concept design into the t-shirt. So this could be avoided to achieve a better design. So what you can do is, it's better not to draw this t-shirt. Without the t-shirt, you have to draw the design alone, whatever may be. So whatever question may be asked to make it as a design. So maybe I made it little okay. So only the design, I'm focusing on only the design now here. So just whatever maybe, we are not working how to make a save trees design here. So just I'm giving an idea how to avoid this kind of error. Okay, so you no need to follow the same concept which I drew here. It is not able to possible. So just I have created a simple save trees concept. Okay, I made a very rough drawing of that, and now here I have some space, or to put the design in little detail. So that is what expected from the examination point of view. So just I hope I can add some more detail, so the people just protecting the trees from cutting. Okay. So maybe I could make you a little detail here. So before I'm going, just a simple iconic letters. Now here I'm not concentrating on beautifying the picture or the concept. Now we are trying to help you how you can make a better design with given space here. Okay. Please do not imitate the same picture. You try create yourself. So whatever concept given. So here I just now I just made a kind of a tree here. Just an iconic symbol of humans. Okay, to save the trees. So whatever design may be on the t-shirt, please do not draw the t-shirt directly and then don't draw the design inside the t-shirt. Maybe so you could enlarge the design. You can focus only on the design whatever you wanted to draw. Okay, so I hope you like this video tutorial very much. Share it to your friends and subscribe to get more videos on design aptitude examination. Now we will try to color this and end up this video tutorial, and we will meet again with another important tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.